everyone, and happy weekend. I hope you are having an amazing day. So today's video is exciting. It's one I've been looking forward to, and also it's like a sneak peek. So this is actually a June box. So this is the Sudsy Club, the bi-monthly soap subscription. I love this subscription. This is the second time I received it. I really liked my last one, so I'll tell you all about it. I'm actually just about to be done with the soap I got last time, so it was perfect timing. But like I said, this is a June box, so it will be shipping next month, so you have until the 4th of June to order this, so you've got plenty of time. And really, I think this would be a great gift for Mother's Day, which is like super soon. If you forgot, like jump on that, order online, show them the email. No pressure, but just thought of that. I actually sent my mom some like bath and spa stuff, so just on my mind. I just went to the post office. But anyways, if you're unfamiliar with Sudsy Club and missed my last video, this is a bi-monthly subscription. That means you get it every other month. It is $25. I do have a promo code to share with you guys that will get you about 15% off, I believe, so that will be down in the description box along with a link to their website. So each month you get 3 different handcrafted soaps, and these soaps are so good. Like last month when I unboxed it, I hadn't tried them yet when I was telling you about them, but now that I've tried them, I can tell you these are different than like the store kind of soaps. They don't dry out your skin. Like bar soaps in general really dry out my skin. But these ones did not. So these are handcrafted, they are moisturizing, they're not made with any toxic ingredients, they smell so good. They're made with like natural stuff, like I said, as well as essential oils and all of that. So I'm really curious to see what's inside. So each month, like I said, you get 3 bar soaps. So on their website it says get 3 luxurious moisturizing handcrafted soaps, and you also get a spa item every other month. So the normal price is $25, like I said, but there is a discount going on right now, so I will leave that down below. But anyways, I feel like I'm rambling a lot, so let's just get started. So this is what the box looks like. It says Sudsy Club, and then it says where luxury begins, which is kind of true. It begins in the shower when you're like getting all clean and beautiful. So when I open it, this is what I see. So it's packaged really well, and there's something on top. So it says Sudsy Club June, and there is a picture printed on it. And on the inside, oh my god, I just got a whiff. It smells really good. So let's see. So I think it tells you everything in here about the items you get. So I will keep this nearby. So we get 4 items. So like the 3 soaps, and then the whatever the other item is, which we will find out, the other spa item. And on the back it says all natural, nothing artificial, luxurious moisturized skin. We never compromise on our quality. So let's start with the soaps. The way they package these is just beautiful. So this one is called Morning Mist. So look at this packaging. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my god, this smells so good. So let me read to you what it says on here. It says all natural artisan soap, only the finest ingredients. So it's made with some oils, spearmint essential oil, green, French green clay, and rosemary extract. All the bars are 4 ounces. And it said it's made with the highest quality plant-based oils and butters, along with therapeutic grade essential oils and botanicals. The natural oils and butters leave your skin feeling soft and moisturized, not drying like commercial soaps. So it's not made with any chemicals or fragrance or coloring. So good. So again, that is what the packaging looks like. Like so pretty. I love it. So there is some information on the Mountain Air one. It says Mountain Air is what you think of when you smell this bar. It is an outdoor scent that makes you say, ah. The blend of fir, spearmint, and orange essentials are a combination that will attract men and women. The bar has Irish moss throughout it, which gives it an organic feel that goes along with the scent perfectly. The Irish moss acts as a great light exfoliant. Exfoliation and moisture are 2 of the most important factors in great skin. I totally agree. I'm all about exfoliation and moisturizing. This bar is a favorite for all on the Sudsy team. I can see why. It smells so good. God, smell-o-vision, where are you? I want you guys to be able to smell these. They're so good. Ooh, the next one is called Blue Indigo Silk Bar. I like the name of that, or the sound of it. So it says the same things on the side. This one does have some cruelty-free Tusa silk in it, some indigo powder, lavender and lemon essential oil, and then those other oils as well. This smells so familiar and good to me. Let's read about this. It smells like my past. I know I've mentioned this before, but like certain smells just like remind me of memories, and this kind of reminds me of like my family in Santa Fe and being there, because they were like way ahead of the time, like into essential oils and stuff like that. I'm sure they still are, but this reminds me of them in a good way. So it says Blue Indigo Silk Bar. Indigo plants are generally regarded as an analgesic with anti-inflammatory properties, helping to smooth and calm inflammation and irritation. We have swirled this bar with a generous amount of indigo. The oils and butters we have used to make this amazing bar are coconut oil, shea butter, and olive oil. That's it. You cannot get more pure than that. The essential oils used to scent this bar are lavender and lemon. Smells so good. All right, so the third bar, this is another, so the one was Morning Mist. So, oh, I read the wrong thing. Okay, before I was reading Mountain Air and not Morning Mist. So, sorry if that's confusing. Oh yeah, they both smell so good. Sorry, I was reading the wrong description before. So Mountain Air is the one that I'm taking out right now. This one is made of, it's pretty similar. It's Irish moss, spearmint, fir needle, and orange essential oil blend. This smells really good too. They both smell amazing. I can't figure out what I like more. I'm sorry I mixed up the names. So let me read you the description of Morning Mist, as I already told you about the Mountain Air. It just started raining a lot here, so if you hear that, it's Florida rain. I feel like in the summer it always is around 4 or 5, and that's starting. It was 91 degrees out when I just went to the post office, so hopefully it cools down now. But anyways, if you hear anything, that's that. So it says Morning Mist. Who doesn't love the smell of mint? This soap is a great pick-me-up in the morning and one of our favorites. Leaves your skin soft and smelling fresh. This makes a great everyday soap for your shower and bath. It's made with spearmint essential oil. This is one of our first ever soap creation and remains a top seller today. Smells so good. What's my favorite this month? They're all they're not like overwhelming, which is a good thing, you know? They all smell so good. I don't know. I like them all, you guys. I can't decide what one's my favorite. If you know me, you know I'm really bad at choosing favorites. I love them all. I'm so excited to try these in the shower. They seriously are the only soaps that like don't leave me all dry and gross. Like I never was a bar soap girl, and now I use it every day in the shower. So we have one more item in here, and this is the spa item. Last month we got like a sponge, which was really nice. I still have that in my shower. So let's see what this is. I'm really excited about this. This is made by Sudsy & Co. Well, everything is. And this is the lavender like roller ball. So it's essential oil roller ball. Super cute. So this is made with fractionated coconut oil and lavender essential oil. It's 10 mLs. Made in Illinois, my home state. Oh my god, this smells so good. I love roller balls. This is perfect. I might keep this by my bed. Since lavender is very relaxing and calming and good before sleep, so I can just roll this on. I love it. This is gonna last a long time too. If you guys have never used roller balls, I feel like they're a great way to use fragrance. Like you still get a good amount to smell it, but it lasts a long time too because you're not like wasting product. So let's read a little bit about this. So the lavender roller can be used for several things. Lavender is one of the most versatile essential oils. It helps ease feelings of tension, soothes skin irritation, and promotes a good night's sleep. You can use this roller as a natural perfume. The lavender we've used in this roll is 100% pure lavender that is third-party tested. We believe what goes on goes in. You can be assured that this lavender is the best of the best, and you will get amazing results with it. You can use this roller on skin irritations or even acne. Wow, really? Well, I wonder what that does. I guess it soothes the skin irritation, like I said. So keep this versatile roller with you wherever you go. I love it. I need to smell it again. You guys, I think I like this month even more than the last one. I love the last one. Like this is awesome. I love lavender, like really do. And I liked the soaps last month or 2 months ago. I really did like every single one, but I think I like these better. The two like the Morning Mist or the Mountain one, they are so like refreshing for the morning. I like both of those a lot. I'll probably use those in the morning. And I really like the Blue Indigo Silk Bar. Just because it brings back like, you know, good memories. I love it. I'm so excited about this. So I will leave the link to this below along with that promo code I was talking about. But let me know your thoughts. Do you guys like handcrafted soaps? Because I really think they do make a big difference compared to like commercial soaps that are so drying. These are awesome. So definitely leave your thoughts down below. And I forgot to mention in the beginning of my video that I do have some giveaways currently going on. One is my Cover FX giveaway that ends the 14th, so that will be linked below. And the other one is a Crate Joy giveaway that I'm helping them promote. It is super easy to enter and that ends at the end of this month, so I will link that as well. So definitely go ahead and enter those if you want to win some cool prizes. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here with me. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!